Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple projects, tasks, and deadlines, feeling overwhelmed and unsure where to start? Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a powerful tool designed to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. It's called Paymo Track, and it's more than just a time tracker. It's a comprehensive project management solution that helps you stay organized, efficient, and on top of your game. What is Paymo Track? Paymo Track is a cloud-based project management software that offers a suite of features to help you plan, track, and manage your projects effectively. From simple to-do lists to complex project timelines, Paymo Track has you covered. Key features of Paymo Track. Time tracking. Accurately record the time spent on specific tasks and projects, ensuring you're billing clients fairly and efficiently. Task management. Create, assign, and prioritize tasks within your projects, keeping everyone on the same page and ensuring deadlines are met. Project planning. Develop detailed project plans with Gantt charts, milestones, and dependencies, providing a clear roadmap for your team. Team collaboration. Collaborate seamlessly with your team members, sharing files, commenting on tasks, and communicating effectively. Reporting and analytics. Generate insightful reports on project progress, resource utilization, and team performance, helping you make data-driven decisions. How Paymo Track can benefit you. Increased productivity. Streamline your workflow, eliminate bottlenecks, and maximize your team's efficiency. Improve time management. Accurately track your time, allocate resources effectively, and avoid time-wasting activities. Enhance collaboration. Foster better communication and teamwork, leading to improved project outcomes. Better decision-making. Access real-time data and analytics to make informed decisions about your projects. Simplified billing. Accurately track billable hours and generate professional invoices, ensuring you're getting paid fairly for your work. Real-world examples. Freelancer. A freelance graphic designer uses Paymo Track to organize their projects, track billable hours, and generate professional invoices. Small business. A small marketing agency uses Paymo Track to manage client projects, assign tasks to team members, and track project progress. Large enterprise. A large software development company uses Paymo Track to plan and execute complex projects, manage resources, and monitor team performance. Getting started with Paymo Track. Sign up for a free trial. Start using Paymo Track today by signing up for a free trial. Explore the features. Take some time to explore the software and familiarize yourself with its features. Import your existing projects. If you have existing projects, you can easily import them into Paymo Track. Start tracking time. Begin tracking your time on tasks and projects to get a better understanding of your workload. Collaborate with your team. Invite your team members to join your projects and start collaborating. Tips and tricks for using Paymo Track effectively. Create clear and concise task descriptions. Set realistic deadlines. Utilize the time tracking features accurately. Take advantage of the reporting and analytics tools. Communicate regularly with your team. Paymo Track is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflow, improve your productivity, and achieve your project goals. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a large enterprise, Paymo Track can help you stay organized, efficient, and on top of your game. Ready to take your project management to the next level? Sign up for a free trial of Paymo Track today and experience the difference for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.